So here we are in the Canaries on our second island, Lanzarote, a volcanic wonderland, where around a quarter of the island is covered in solidified lava fields from eruptions in the 17 and 1800s. Lanzarote is also home to Europe's first underwater sculpture museum, with over 300 life-size sculptures, but we'll get back to that in a later episode. This island only gets about 16 days of rain per year, making it one of the driest places in Europe. But the wind never seems to take a holiday. Join us as we walk the rugged coastline and watch the boys' pure joy over finding and tasting wild coconuts and finding bones all along their hike on the nearby volcanoes.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Can you show me the pathway? Day one on Lanzarote. We're thinking of climbing one of the nearest volcanoes that's only a few kilometers away. But then when we woke up and we're about to go, it was all cloudy, we couldn't even see it. But now we can see it. So if you look behind me, there it is, one of the top ones there. So we might go there tomorrow and maybe walk along the ridges of some other volcanoes to make it a little longer trip. It's like 5 kilometers up and down. So today's supposed to be a little rainy. We haven't experienced much more than a few drops, but it's like off and on the next few days actually, so it's not going to be sunny until maybe Sunday. I think today is Thursday. spaghetti today. right now, but it could change any minute and just splash down rain, because that's what Weather Melody said for today. But I decided I'm gonna take it easy and just take a me day, alone time, and do a little grocery shopping and be ready for just having a nice evening tonight with the boys. It'll be nice to just have some downtime. So I just bought some groceries, and then it starts pouring down rain, so I'm just waiting under this umbrella until it passes by, because that's basically what it does. It pours down and then all of a sudden it's sunny again. So I got my bags here, my backpack on, ready for it to clear up. Life on Lanzarote. And here comes the sun.
Kokosnøtt. Hadde kokosnøtt i 3 palmetre.
Ok, Daniel, jeg må spise frokost veldig snart, så da vi prøver å bare ta hverandre.
What did you find?
En kokosnøtt.
First, you gotta tell me what this is.
Dette er kokosnøtt.
Oh my gosh.
Det er kokosnøtt. Se mye.
Den er helt tørr.
Den er helt tørr. Lukt da.
It's usually supposed to be black and rounder.
Kokos.
Kan du spise litt?
Vent litt, vi må få det opp i skålet. Ok, Willis. Det er tørr. Går det an å smelte det?
Vi ser jo tørka kokosnøtt også.
Jeg kan gi deg en bit du kan
Doesn't look
smake.
totally healthy.
Det er jo muggen inni her. Melken er tørka ut.
Se, nå skal jeg spise.
Ok.
Nei. Det var godt.
Is it?
Ok, vi samler all kokos oppi der.
Where did you find this thing?
I et palmetre. Ja.
On the
Det
ground.
var under et palmetre.
Under a palm tree, okay. And we thought there was no coconuts here on this island. Somehow there is. Even on the Canary Islands of Lanzarote. Pretty cool. So you said you found one, you saw one more there?
Ja, vi skal kanskje hente den.
Go get it. Just you should bring your umbrella in case all of a sudden the rain comes and gets you. They were outside trying to break up this coconut. All of a sudden it just poured down rain on them. Like cats and dogs, so they had to run back, and that's why his hair is all wet.
Her er bevis på at det regner.
Yeah, you can see the
Se,
rain
det er
down there.
bra.
Yeah. And now it's sunny and blue again. That's the weather here at Lanzarote. It just comes and goes. At least these few days here. Checking out the Mega Yachts. Not bad. This guy's got his own wave runner on a pontoon. This is a luxury fishing boat. Look at this beauty. A large sailboat. A very high mast. Got the catamaran. Lots of other big boats here.
Det er belt.
Skal vi fryse den?
Nei, vi bare tar det med.
Okay.
Kokosnøtt.
How many do you have?
Jeg kan telle.
Oi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What's that in English?
9.
9. That's a lot of coconuts. They look a little bit dried up, but we'll see if they have anything in. Okay.
Men det er det som er godt. Eller det er bra at de er tørka, fordi da trenger vi ikke å vente til det tørker.
You just open them up and be ready to eat? All right. It looks like there's a sail club here. There's just a whole bunch of young people here. It's a very shifting day, but there's no swell out there. And just a little wind. So we could have left today for Anchorage, but we're going to do it tomorrow. Next episode, you see us set sail not too far down the coast of Lanzarote. We wanted to try to stay in an anchorage just outside of Rubicon on the south side of Lanzarote. We hadn't been on this way since Spain, and we were excited to try it again. Hope you join us for the continuation of our sailing adventures in the Canaries. Stay tuned by clicking on our icon button if you're interested. See you then!